Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the custom font in MIT App Inventor projects. You can see this is our first screen. I'm going to use here the labels, okay? So just drag and drop one label here like this. I'm going to make that font size as like 30 and you can see this is the default font, okay? Now I'm going to use my custom font. So how can I use it? So I'm going to download the font first. So open the Google and just type here Google font. And you can see the font.google.com. Open that website. From here, you can choose all the fonts and you can download it. Now, I'm going to choose some fancy font. So, I'm going to click on that fancy and just scroll down. And I'm going to just change the text here, like the coding bus, like this. And I'm going to use this font. Okay. So, just click on that font. Okay. Now, we need to click on the get font and then click on download all. That's it. Now, open that zip file and unzip that file. After this, open that folder and you have three fonts here. Every folder have the TTF file. Just open first folder. You can see the TTF file. Now we need to upload all that TTF file in MIT App Inventor project. So how we can do this? In the MIT App Inventor project, click on the label, click on the font type here, click on upload file. You can see the choose file option. Click on it. Now we need to just open that folder. Just open that folder and choose the font and OK. And wait some seconds. That will upload the font. That's it. I'm going to change the text of label like this. Now we have one font. I'm going to use the another font. So click on again font type. As you can see, this is the font type. Click on this and you can see the upload file. Click on choose file. I'm going to upload that font again and OK. Now we have the another font like this one. So I'm going to just copy paste and I'm going to just change the font type like this. And I'm going to just upload the I'm going to just change the another font also, serif. As you can see here, we have the custom font type in MIT App Inventor project. So if you have still some doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.